I was out wandering around this morning and noticed a wild potato vine blooming here on one of our fences. Right over here we have some morning glories that I planted. The wild potato vine is in the morning glory family, and I did not plant it. It is, however, no less relevant and I think beautiful than the one that I planted, which brings me to my point that we have many things that will show up in our yard or on our homestead that nature has provided for us. It makes sense to me to let them do their thing. I see some bees over here on the flower right now. Well, folks, you have a great day, and let's keep it wild.